Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. In today's practice, we're going to create a FAQ page with MetaBox and Breakdance. I have several couples of question and answer here. For example, I'll use custom fields to store them. Let's see how we display them on the page. I have Breakdance here to build the page. Make sure you activate and update to the latest version to have full integration with MetaBox. As I mentioned, I will use custom fields for the questions and answers, so I have MetaBox Core plugin here to have the framework to create custom fields. It's available on WordPress.org. We also need some MetaBox extensions to have advanced features. You can download them individually or just use MetaBox all-in-one to have them all. Here are the extensions we use in this practice. MetaBox Builder to have a UI on the backend to easily create custom fields. And MetaBox Group to organize custom fields into pairs for questions and answers. That's all the tools we need. First, create a new blank page. It will be our FAQ page. Go to MetaBox, Custom Fields, and add a new field group. Each question will go along with an answer. So, let's add a group to set them in a pair. Since we may have more than one pair of questions and answers, I set this group clonable. So we'll have an Add More button like this. Inside this group, add two subfields for the question and answer. Each pair of question and answer may have a long content, or there may be too many pairs, so you should set this group collapsible. Then they will display in a more succinct way. And you can add titles for the group as well. This is to number the pair. And this is the ID of the question field. It's to show the question on the title. After creating all the fields and having reasonable settings, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type. And select Page. To apply the fields to the page you want, go to the Advanced Location Rules section below and choose your page. I chose FAQ here. After publishing, you will see all of the custom fields in the page editor. Just enter some questions and answers. Click Add More to add other pairs. We'll have more than one pair of questions and answers. So let's create a global block to display the information and set the layout and style for a pair. Go to Breakdance, Global Block. Add a div element to cover the block. For the content of the question, add a text element. Because the question is saved in the custom field created by MetaBox, we should insert dynamic data from the field to this element. Hover on this place. Click on the icon button. Look for the MetaBox section, then the name of the field that we used to save the question. Next, add another text element for the answer. Also insert dynamic data from the answer field. Now, you can see a couple of questions and answers displayed. Let's style this block a little bit. Go back to edit the page in Breakdance. It's still blank now. We'll display the questions and answers here. They are in a clonable group, so add a repeater field element. In the global block section of its settings, choose the name of the global block that we've just created. Next, go to the field section. Choose the name of the group field that contains the question and answer field. Now, all the questions and answers are displayed with the style we set in the global block. You can change the settings of the repeater field element to have a better layout. Let's see the page on front end. All the questions and answers display adequately. That's the end of today's tutorial. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.